Hey everyone, welcome back. Please take a second to pause this video and read through the question and then meet me back here for the solution. Okay, so just to recap quickly, basically we are looking for the time t when the model predicts that the lake will be safe, which is when it contains 40 gallons or less of pollutant. And specifically, this model that they're referring to is the tangent line approximation model. So let's start out with getting the tangent line approximation. So we know that t equals 0 is the input value that we're looking for. And then we also know that we're starting with 50 gallons of pollutant at time equals 0. So that's basically giving us our point, which is 0, 50. Now we need to get the slope, right? So the slope m is given by the derivative at time equals 0, which is just 1 minus 3e to the negative 0.2 times the square root of 0. So the square root of 0 is just 0. Anything times 0 is also 0. So this whole exponent here is 0. Now e to the 0 power, or any number to the 0 power, is just 1 by definition. So this entire thing becomes 1 minus 3, which is just negative 2. So now we have our point and we have our slope. So plugging this into point slope form, I would get y minus 50 equals m times x minus 0. Now I'm just going to rework this a little bit and I'm going to isolate y. So distributing this negative 2 in, I just get negative 2x. I have a 0 there, but I'm just not going to write that. And then I'm going to add 50 to both sides. So basically this in slope-intercept form would be y equals negative 2x plus 50. Now I'm looking for the time, which in this case I just used x and y, so the time would be x, in which the gallons of pollution is 40 or less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this negative 2x plus 50 and I'm going to set it equal to 40 because that's going to give me the time at which it equals 40. So now I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides, and then I'm going to get negative 2x equals negative 10, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. That should be a negative. And so then I'm going to get x equals positive 5, which again, I used x, but really in this case, t was the given variable. So the time, which is measured in days, so it would basically be after 5 days, the lake will be safe and it will have 40 gallons of pollutant or less. All right, thanks for watching.